Once upon a time, two friends lived in a small town. One day, they decided to go to the beach to collect shells, hoping to sell them and earn some money. While they were collecting, one of the friends found a large shell. The other friend, seeing this, felt frustrated. He found a big shell. And now he'll make more money than me. I need to find a bigger one. Determined out to his friend, he began searching for a larger shell. He worked hard searching all day long. But in his pursuit of the big shell, he ignored all the smaller shells he found, along the way tossing them aside. From noon until night, he kept searching but came up empty-handed. Not only did he fail to find a bigger shell, but he also discarded all the small ones he had come across. Meanwhile, his friend, who found the large shell, also collected a few smaller shells. As night fell, the two friends headed home. On the way, the first friend sold his collection. He earned $1,000 from the large shell and $3,000 from the smaller ones, making a total of $4,000. The second friend, who had thrown away the small shells, realized his mistake. If I hadn't ignored those smaller shells, I could have earned more than him. He thought his friend, then told him, "The small shells you threw away, I picked them up, and that's how I earned more." This realization made the second friend feel even worse. He had missed out on greater rewards because he was only focused on finding the big shell. Moral of the story: in life, we often chase after big opportunities, ignoring the small ones along the way. But it's important to recognize that small actions can add up. Over time, don't overlook the small steps. They are what ultimately lead to success. Both friends had the same goal, to make money, but the first friend focused on both the big and small opportunities, while the second friend only focused on the big and lost everything. Remember, small changes are the building blocks of big success.